Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl brightening Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. So guys, I just want to do a quick one, okay? A quick one because I am so angry. Like, I am so angry. I bought a fake product. Now I'm going to be showing you guys this product. Two of these products. One is fake and one is original, right? So I did not even know. A friend of mine also bought this product. She's in Austria and I'm in Germany here. So we bought it from the same vendor. And I think after a week or two, she now called me. She didn't even call me. I think she made a video of this product and she showed it to me. Like, this cream is just separating. The cream is separating, water going one side, oil going one side. When she told me, I hurried up, like, let me go and check my own product, because since I bought the product, I've not even opened it. And my intention is to sell this product. Yes, my intention is to sell this product and also use it as a pimples facial cream. Now guys, okay, let me show you this product first before we continue. So this is quick clear facial cream. Don't know if you can see. So you can see the label. Okay, this one is red, I think. You can see the label. They are different. The labels are different. The container are different. The cover, the up cover is also different. Okay, so this one is I think this one is red. If you see the where they wrote quickly is red there. The box there is red, and this one where they wrote quickly, the box here is orange color. Okay, you can see the box is orange color. Why this one, the box is red. Now, this is a fake product and this is the original product. So I'm going to be telling you the reason why I said this one is a fake product. Number one, the container says it all. The container says it all. The container says it all, number one. And the cover, the white cover is the original quickly, and this pink cover is the fake quickly. So now, don't get me wrong, I don't know if the company is also doing different type of covers. I don't know, but for me, I know right from time the original quickly have this white cover. Okay, and it is written, the original quickly, let me show you guys. You can see it here. It is written 7 days. Don't know if you can see, guys. It is written 7 days. 7 days. It will clear your face in 7 days. Okay, this is the original one. And now let's go to the label. You can see the label, the color of this label, and you can see the color of this label. They are two different colors. Now I'm going to show you inside. Okay, let's open this one. I just hope the sunlight is not spoiling this color, because I'm using direct sunlight from my window. Sun managed to shine today. So the original quickly, of course, I think it's like this. I don't know. So the original quickly, you can see the pink color is very light. The original quickly, the pink color is light. I don't know how. Oh no, like this, something like this. The original quickly, the color is pink. Okay, the pink color is light, and this is a fake one. The pink color is deep. I think the light is just showing the same thing. The reflection of the light is showing the same thing. So the fake one, the pink color is very deep, and original quick clear face cream is not that thick. It is not that thick. Why the fake one is really thick? The fake one is really thick, and the smell also. Can you imagine? God, I beg. Sorry, guys. So the fake quickly have this beautiful rose flower. It smells, I don't know the kind of perfume they poured inside. It smells nice, of which quickly facial cream do not smell that nice. But this one smells like, when I was in Nigeria, and then there was this body lotion. They think they call it rose or something. It smells, I don't know the kind of fragrance they put inside this fake quickly cream, but like, you will eat the smell. You will eat the smell. They just poured, I think, I don't know what they poured inside, but it smells nice, like smells like perfume. Okay, it smells like perfume. Why the original one? It's just neutral, you know. You don't feel anything, like you try to feel something, but you can't really get the smell. But you see this fake one, it smells heavenly. So I believe they just poured another cream inside this container and start selling. Or maybe they made another fake cream and they added I don't know, is it essential oil? Can never smell like this. Essential oil can never smell like this. So I don't know what they poured inside. This should be fragrance oil. Now guys, if you use these two, if you apply these two quickly facial cream on your face, let's say you are applying this one, you bought this one, and you will apply without any results. You will apply without any results. And if you buy this fake one and you are using it to make products for a client, like a Pimples product, the client will not see any results, and the client will be complaining, madam, your product is not working, not knowing that the thing you bought in the market is fake. So guys, take notes. This is the original one. Okay, you can see the label, you can see the cover, everything is white, but this one is something else. So if you go to the market and you want to buy quickly, this sunlight is beginning to reduce. So if you want to buy quickly facial cream, if you see this cover like this label and everything like this, do not get this one, please. Do not get this one. This one is the fake one. Okay, and if you notice that the cream is smelly heavily, like it's just smelling like perfume, do not get it. This is the original one. And funny enough, I bought 2 dozen of quickly facial cream from one vendor, one person, and this is what I get. This one in 1 dozen and this one in 1 dozen. Now when I complained to the person that you gave me a fake quickly cream, the person said, no, it's not fake. Oh, it's not fake. It's buying the product directly from the owner. That is going to call the owner and complain to the owner, and the owner is going to call me, something like that. So later, I think that same day during evening time, they called me. So he said, please let me pass the phone to the owner of the product, the person that made the product. Okay, so the person is an Igbo man. Please, those of you in Nigeria, I don't know. Is it Igbo man that do that? I don't know. Because according to the man, he said they changed container, they changed label, they changed production because of they want to try to I don't know, they went to NAFDAC office to request for badge number, something like that. That the product is a kitchen product, and the product can come in any colors. I don't even know what to answer the person. I beg na Igbo man do this product. I don't understand. Na Igbo man do this product, because I bought this product in trade fair in Lagos. I always buy my product from a particular man in Lagos. I don't want to call his name, make I not go spoil business. But for him, he said he's not the one making the product. He buy and sell in trade fair. And me, I buy from him and sell also. So the thing don't tire me. Is this product a kitchen product? People that have been using this product for a very long time, those in Nigeria, me, I'm in Europe, I don't know what is the apple for that Nigeria. I don't know what is going on there. Please, I need someone should just tell me. This one is the fake one. And this product, if you pour it inside your, like, open it, pour it inside a plate, like you want to make a product or something, you will see the oil will start separating, the water will start separating. This very fake one, it will start separating. So guys, be careful. But when it comes to this kind of product, I don't know that they are doing it inside the kitchen though. I was even thinking these products are even coming from Cotonou, Abidjan, all those places, not knowing that it is my Igbo brother that is doing this thing. Guys, help a sister. Please, if you have any if you know anything about this facial cream, like if you have used it before, if you know the fake, if you know the original one, or maybe I don't know the fake, I really don't know, but I know that since I've been buying this Quickly facial cream, it always comes like this, light inside, not too thick, without any trace of smell. But this one now, very thick like a butter. It's like they just cut one body lotion from somewhere else and pour it inside this thing and label it and call it Quickly facial cream. So guys, this is my experience. So if you're buying products in trade fair, be careful. Their products are very cheap. Trade fair products are very cheap. Like if you want to count there and start selling, like you will buy in dozens and you will start selling. They are very cheap, but 80% of their products are fake. 80% of their products are fake. So I have a particular man I normally buy my products from in trade fair. I always tell the man, I know say you they sell fake products. Everybody in trade fair, they sell fake products. But when it comes to me, please can't the original one give me, because if I'm buying products, I buy up to 500,000. I buy up to 500,000 because I also resell them. Okay, now please, you have to sell me original products. So sometimes I will get original products, sometimes I will get fake products. Even and if you know anywhere I can be buying original products in Nigeria, please also comment below the comment section. Original product, not fake. I'm done. I'm tired. Please, I'm just wasting my money because I cannot buy fake and sell fake to my client. It is not done anywhere. So guys, pardon this video. I'm not using ring lights, nothing, just open my window and I'm using the window light, so the light is going pium 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 pium, coming pium pium pium. And we are soon going to start our online training again. We're going to start by next month, and we are going to be doing our December sales. This is the first time I'm going to be doing sales in my products. I think I will be doing sales in my body wash. I'll be doing sales in my lightening product and caramel product, glow oil, lightening oil. So make una gather money down, come buy sales, come rub better cream for our body. So guys, catch you. Bye.